Hello everyone. So today I am going to explain you about the project called IoT based home security through digital image processing algorithm. So in this project we have two applications. One is Java based web application and another one is Android application. So first I am going to explain you about the web application. So in the login, so this is our index page. So here you should enter by entering the correct details, admin, then login. So if you give the correct credentials, it will redirect to the home page of the application. So in the admin page, what we are having, so already we are having view members, add members, view photos, upload photos, change password and log. So first already I have already added one user called Jack. So I'll add another one user. So name, then ID. So member details have been added successfully. So here you can see the user. Just now I have added, and here view photos. So already I have another photos. So Bharat. So for Bharat photos, nothing photo is there. So I should upload one photo. So before uploading a photo, here we should run two files in our web application. That is because here we are using the OpenCV library, so that's why we should deploy the project through OpenCV library, and we should manually run the two programs. So that one I'll show you. So this is our project. In this project, you can see in the com.util package, image process 1.java, image process 2.java is there. So you should run manually of these files. So I already run that one. So image process 1 and image process 2. Okay, I'll clear it up just for time being. And this is our Tomcat page. So I already run this Java file, just right click and run as Java application. That's all. Okay, it will in the background it will be running. So then you should enter into this one project. Then you have to press the button capture. So before entering into the web application, you should be ready with this two Java files should be running in the background. Okay, then you should enter into your web application. Okay, now I'll capture the photo. So it has been taken the photo, as you can see. So I'll assign it to Bharat. Then add. So here you can see the photos. Okay, so my photo has been uploaded here, and the admin can change the password as well as log. So admin part is over. Means here till now admin part is over. So next is the go to visitor page. In the right side you can see go to visitor page is there. So what is this? I'll explain. So here in the front of the door the camera will be fixed. Okay, and whoever the person comes in front of the door, it will capture the photo. Okay, here in the bell, so that's why I have given the button name as bell. So I'll click the bell now. If the person is same with the registered photo, then it will say allow. If the person is not the same with the registered user, then it will say it will not allow. So I'll explain that one. So I'm going to capture the photo now. So okay, see, this is the same photo which has been captured previously. So that's why it is saying go. So I'll show you the other way. So I'll cover up my photo, means cover up my face, and I'll try. See here, means I covered my face, that's why it is saying stop, you can't enter into a house. So that's why it is saying name unknown, relationship unknown, and the request status is pending. Whereas previously it was showed go. Okay. So this is all about the web application, and in the same manner here we have one more Android application also. In the Android application also he can admin can log in, and he can allow or disallow the port whoever the person who is entering into the house. Okay, thank you.
Hello everyone. So now I'm going to explain you about the Android part of this project. Okay, so first we have to open this application, then inside this settings you have to go and you have to type the IP address of your laptop or PC, whichever you have deployed your web application, because in through IP address only our Android application as well as the web application is going to connect. So I'm going to type my IP address. So after entering the IP address, click OK. The IP address will be added successfully. Then try to log in. So if you try to log in without typing your IP address, then your application won't work. So admin, username is admin, and the password is 1234. You can change the password in the application as well. Okay, so after successfully logging, you'll enter into the home page of the application. So in the menu option you can see view photo, change password as well as logout. So first we'll go to the view photo. As you can see, previously I have kept a hand in front of my face, so that photo is coming here. So here the small size photo is will be coming because we have used a least view here, so that's why. So if that admin gives allow, means that person can enter the room, enter the door, or else if he gives the cancel, then he can't enter because admin will know the person who is entering, while registered only he will know. So that's why he is not the person who means the person is hiding the face, means it is he is misbehaving. So that's why admin will cancel. So cancel successfully. So the next is change password. Here the admin can change the password as current password is 1234, and new password will be admin, the confirm password admin. So change password, so password will be updated. Next, logout. Okay, thank you.